Hi Dresser Cuties, Winnie here. Today we're going to draw a Wooper from Pokemon. So let's get started. To draw a cute Wooper, let's first start by drawing its eyes. So I'm going to start right here with a circle. And then I'm going to come inside in the center and draw another circle. And then come in here and shade this all in black. There. And then now let's go nice and wide, go across and say about right here. I'll draw the same thing for the other eye. Just make sure, look at my camera, make sure I'm about the same size and height, and then about right here, another circle and shade everything else in. There, so my two eyes in. Then I'm going to draw a really big smile right underneath the eyes. So let's say about right here underneath this eye, I'm just going to go ahead and give a little curve and go ahead and draw a big smile all the way across. And we're just going to end at the same area on the other side. So let's say about right here, little curve and then connect. Just easier for my hand. There, big smile for Wooper. Then from there, let's go ahead and draw this big ovalish head. So I'm going to use my eyes as a guide. I'll say come to the bottom of my eye and I'm just going to come out nice and wide. Just want this big oval. So I'll just say about, just imagine how far out I want to go. So say about right here, just approximate, and we're just going to do the same thing on the other side. So about the same as the other side. Then from there, I'm just going to go ahead and draw this big curve. So we're just aiming to draw an oval and go up. I'll try and make it a little bit pointier at the top towards the center and then bring it right back down to my other point. There. Sorry it's so sketchy. I just have to make sure I have it right before I put it down. So this big curve, and then we can start to round it off right here. Bring it in and round the mouth. So back and forth, and let's say about right there. And bring it down to about right here and connect. There, nice big oval head. Come back in and clean it up. And that's it for the head. And then let's go ahead and draw the, oh, actually we have to draw the gills, right? So let's come over here in the center, about say here. We're gonna go ahead and draw the spike. So it's like the antenna that comes out. And then the 4 branches that are the gills. So I'm just going to give myself 2 little lines right here, and then I'm going to angle out these branches. Come in, and we're just going to stop wherever that line is. So same thing here, just angle it out. Then we're going to go out again. And same thing, this one's going to be a little bit shorter. And then we're going to come down and just give it a little point. About here, and then once again same thing and connect everything there. Okay, so we're going to draw the same thing on the other side, so just drag a point across if you're drawing pretty big, and so it'll be about right here. And let's go ahead and draw the same thing, so 2 little lines first, and then we're going to go out. So I'll just drag this point across just so I know approximately how high to go. And once again, bring it in. And like the other side. So this one's going to be a little bit shorter. And then across and point. And let's draw this side. Bottom. So same thing. and connect everything. There. So we have our 2 antennas in. And let me bring this down more for our smile. There. Okay, so now that we have the head in, we can finally draw the cute little body. So I'm going to center it, just a small little body, say about here and here. And then we're going to go out. So we're going to little neck, and it's going to come out. And same thing here. And let's round it off. Just going to cute little round body. And connect everything. There. And then the cute little feet. So about right here, I'm going to say here. Just going to come down. And connect. So same thing on this side. Just want to center it. And once again, same thing. We're about here. Curve out and connect. And then the no hands, right? And then the tail. So let's say about right here, we're going to connect this little tail. So come out with a big curve. And bring it right back in. And last but not least, the little markings, the little curves on the body. So we're going to draw 3 of them, and they're going to get wider as we come down. So let's say about right here, I'll start with a curve right in the center. And then round it off. And just connect it. There. Little off-centered. So bring this in. Okay, so same thing here. Curve. And once again, round it off. And connect, and one more, much wider. Right in the center. There. And that is pretty much it for my drawing here of Wooper from Pokemon. I really hope I helped you draw fun and easy today, and if I did, please make sure to give me a like and subscribe so you won't miss any new Draw So Cute videos. See you later.